Hello there. We're living through some pretty weird times right now, from rationing gasolines, I haven't seen that since the 70s, to having houses going for way more than what they're worth, fighting off a deadly disease that's the worst we've ever seen in our lifetime. Well, my name is Ron LeGrand, and I have been buying and selling houses for almost 40 years now, and I've lived through an awful lot of those kind of cycles. And the good news is they all pass. Even better news, we can make money in real estate regardless of what's going on, the economic climate, the interest rates, none of that really matters. I've been doing this for a long time, and I train hundreds of thousands of people all over America. In fact, most of the trainers today were trained by me and then trained how to train. On the 21st of May, I'm going to do an all-day, 5-hour seminar on how my students are making the most money in the industry today without using their money or credit. We don't do that on Planet Ron. I'm going to spend the whole day talking about step by step exactly what you can do. And I don't care what your background is. I don't care what profession or business you're in, or even if you're not in a business and you don't have a job right now. I'm going to show you how to take your life back, as I've done for so many thousands and thousands of folks, start getting some money coming in very quickly, and more importantly, building some residual income. And you're going to see it all: how to buy them, where to find them, how to sell them, where to find the buyers, and where the money is in real estate. You're going to be surprised, because what I'm going to show you, you've likely seen nowhere else before. This is all free. All you have to do is go down and register. But here's the cool thing we're going to do. I'm going to have my mentors calling sellers, calling people with houses for sale, FSBOs we call them, for sale by owners. And we'll generate some leads, and you can generate some leads and send them in from these kind of folks, and we'll show you how when you get registered right away. They'll do the calling, and they'll screen them to see whether there's any kind of deal there or not. And then I will discuss the ones that they got on the phone that look like they have promise. I'm going to spend the last hour going through all of these deals and showing you just how much money there is. You're going to be shocked at how much money there is in these deals. And you're going to be even more shocked when you see how many of them we literally can buy with nothing or little or nothing down. It's an incredible world out there today. It's never been more systemized, never been more automated. And I'm all about working less and making more, not working your tail off and making a meager amount of money. So if you're looking to create more wealth in your life, or maybe just retirement, want to build a residual income that you can retire on and count on regardless of what's going on in the stock market, of all the things around us we can't control, or maybe you're just looking to start another business, or maybe you're just old like me and you're looking for something to do, well, a career change perhaps. Don't miss this 5 hours with me, because you won't get this information anywhere else. It's a one-time event, and it's free, for crying out loud. So just go down there and register right now, and I promise you, when you get through, you won't look at real estate the same again, and probably don't look at your ability to make money again as well. You're going to be impressed. Go sign up now.